Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is simple personal hygiene. Students, let us first understand what is meant by hygiene. Hygiene is the science and practice of maintaining good health. It has two types or two aspects. It involves personal hygiene as well as social, which can be also called as public hygiene. So let us begin. Students, let us see the significant features of personal hygiene. First one is cleanliness. Students, one should wash their hands regularly with soap and water. Also students, a person should bathe daily. That means have a bath at least once a day. Next, wash and comb hair frequently and brush teeth at least twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Ideally students, teeth should be brushed after every meal, but it is not very possible for everyone. Therefore, at least teeth should be brushed twice a day. Moving on students, next under cleanliness we have use of handkerchief while sneezing, coughing, etc. to protect others from any particular infections or disease that you might have. Next, we have cleaning and washing of eyes regularly, cleaning ears using a soft and moist swab. Students, other than cleanliness, even physical exercise is very important. Exercise is necessary for all age groups, and also it keeps us very healthy and improves blood circulation.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.